Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you two ways to color metal embellishments. So if you have all kinds of metal embellishments that are too shiny, or you don't like their color, or you want to add color, here's what you do. First, you heat the metal. You know, metal heats really well, and that will help it absorb the color, the powder that we're going to add. But be careful not to use your hands to hold it because it's going to get very hot. Next, you're going to sprinkle a little bit of embossing powder on the metal. Now, because we heat the metal, we don't need any embossing ink. The hot metal will help the embossing powders stick to it. I'm using two colors. Be careful if it's too hot. And then you remove the excess powder and simply heat the metal again, or heat the embossing powder. Then you get this really beautiful effect on the metal. And of course you can use whatever color of embossing powder that you have to cover the metal and give it extra color. Another way to add color to metal is using alcohol inks. Regular paints will not stick to the metal properly because they're water-based, but alcohol ink is an ink that is based on alcohol, obviously, and that sticks better to metal. So again, here I'm using two colors of alcohol inks. It doesn't cover the metal completely, not the embossing powder and not the alcohol ink, but it does add colorful accents. And if you want to add an oxidization or rust color to your metal, that will be a really good idea to use both methods or one of them. So I'm just adding the alcohol inks and let it dry with a heat tool or just in the air. And then you can add whatever metal embellishments you want to your project, customize them with these two methods, and create a card, a scrapbook page, or whatever you want. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.